All right, we're skipping ahead to 2.18. We don't need to do those other ones. They're graphing. You can certainly look at them. There's no worry about that. It's hard to do on paper. So in this case, we have a point and another point, and then we have the vector connecting these 2 points. So this is the initial point, that's the terminal point. We want to write a vector PQ in component form and unit vector form. So there's our answer. And how do we get there? Well, remember, Q is the terminal point and P is the initial point. So it's terminal minus initial, right? So terminal minus initial. So you're just gonna, I line them up this way so you can just do kind of like matrices, right? So it's -4 minus 3 is -7, -3 minus 12 is -15, 2 minus 6 is -4. That is the vector, and then this is already in component form, so that's the answer for component form. Then to turn component form into unit vector form, we just take the brackets away and do the I, J, K, right? No worries there. And checkpoint has the same thing, only in this case, they just want you to give, well, actually, no, they want you to do both component and unit vector. There's the answer. And how we get there. Same thing, terminal minus initial. Here's the terminal point, initial point. 2 minus 3 is -1. -1 minus 8 is -9. 3 minus 2 is 1. So there's my component form. And then that is the unit vector form that goes with that.